Muthenya umwe thutha wa giikaro kia bunge gia kamiti ya hamwe ya bunge ya Senate nere ya bururi ireretha wiguano wa ugai wa kigina gutharara, Speaker wa Senate Ken Lusaka nionanitie mwihoko ni gukugia na umithio ica ikuhi. Akiaria hindi ya guthurima uria mihango ya kuhariria cikaro cia bunge ya Senate rigatafanio matura-ini kaunti-ini ya Kitui irathie na mbere, Lusaka niongerire kuga hari na bata wiguano ucio kinyanirio na ihenya mihango ya thirikari cia kaunti itanatindimara ururio nyititwo baru ni maseneta aria mauma nake.
I know that is a current issue. We know the counties are suffering, but we are very sure that when the mediation teams resume next week, there should be a breakthrough. We're just encouraging them that they get to an understanding, because they're also Kenyans and they know that counties are grinding to a halt.
Okaideni okau governor wa Machakos Dr. Alfred Mutua niokirire mutongoria wa rigi bunge-ini ya bururi Aden Duale kurugite niwe muhinga hari igeria ria gwetha wiguano wa mbeca iria ciagirire gutumirwo thirikari cia county guku akiuria riu eherio kigina-ini kiu. Leo Mutua nioritie Speaker Justin Muturi eherie Duale kamiti-ini iyo iria iramurika uria thirikari cia county ciagire kugairwo mbeca. Kwa ihinda kaunti itiamukirite mbeca uciothe kuma kuri thirikari nene kumana na ngucanio ya mbeca iria ciagire kugairwo guku bunge ya bururi ikiendekithia igairwo ciringi bilioni 316 guku nayo Senate ikiendekithia igairwo ciringi bilioni 335.